I built a funnel using ClickFunnels, and here's what actually happened. Spoiler, it wasn't perfect at first, but it taught me more than any YouTube tutorial ever could. When I first started, I had zero tech skills and no idea how funnels really worked. But I signed up for ClickFunnels, chose a simple lead generation template, and started customizing it. It was surprisingly easy to use. With drag and drop editing, I didn't need any coding. In about 45 minutes, I had my first opt-in page, a thank you page, and my email connected. Then came the big moment. I hit publish and waited. At first, nothing happened. No traffic, no leads, no magic. That's when I realized a funnel isn't enough. You need to drive traffic and have a clear message. So I created a free lead magnet, promoted it on social media, and added my funnel link in a few niche Facebook groups. Within 24 hours, I got my first 3 leads. Nothing crazy, but it was real, and it showed me the potential. Then I added a bridge page with a quick video explaining an affiliate product I use and love. By day 3, I got my first commission. That was the moment I saw how powerful ClickFunnels really is. It's not just a landing page builder, it's a business building platform. With a good offer, the right message, and consistent traffic, your funnel can become an engine that works for you 24/7. And now, I'm building more funnels, testing new strategies, and growing my list every day. Want to build your first funnel too? Check the video description for a free ClickFunnels trial and my bonus funnel template to help you get started fast. And if you're serious about growing online, make sure to subscribe, because I'll be sharing everything I learn step by step. Thanks for watching, and trust me, your first funnel will teach you more than you expect.